What's up, y'all? We back with another trading video where I show you guys exactly what I'm looking at, getting into the trade, and removing myself from the trade. Now, make sure you guys stay tuned. This month is a big month for me. I haven't went on a trip since Dubai, which is about a month ago. You guys can check that video out here. It has 40,000 fucking views now, which is my biggest video to date. And I got a ton more coming for you. So in February, I am going on a couple trips. I'm not going to tell you where. Make sure you subscribe so you can check out those videos. And let's get right into making this money on these charts so we can fund these trips. Let's go. All right, man. So y'all know what time it is. It's a new month, so it's new charts. So I went ahead and deleted everything off. And we are going to start from the absolute fucking basis today as to what we're looking for. No markups at all. Let's go ahead and do everything brand new. And as always, I'm going to be holding these charts for an entire month before I restart any of these key levels. So first things first, the same prevalent level we've been sitting at for a minute. Let me go ahead and mark this blue because all my higher time frame zones are blue. Look at the reactions we're getting from this area. Massive volume to push through or huge reactions once we revisit the area. Massive push through or huge rejections once we visit this area. Very, very, very clean area for us to put up. The second one I see up here is sitting right here. Okay, massive rejections coming from this area as well. Every time we come up to it, it takes a lot of volume to push through, or we get a good reaction coming from it. Every single time we tap into it for the most part. I kind of view this as an hourly zone. It's a lot bigger reaction on the hourly zone, but nonetheless, we'll keep this blue for now. And then as far as our lower area, again, same exact area here, man, where we're just getting massive fucking reactions from the zone. Okay, so these are all of our 4-hour zones. Let's go ahead and go down to 1-hour time frame and see if we can tighten anything up, which we can. The zone is more so sitting up here to where current price is currently at, and we also have an hourly zone sitting right here where price is at now. Okay, we know it's a prevalent zone because we've now had 3 reactions to the zone. 1 here, nice volume pushing through. 2 here, and now a 3rd reaction sitting right here as well. So what's going on as far as trend? We're bullish, you know, until we break beyond this higher low sitting right here. We're bullish as fuck. We're kind of sitting at this swing point now, which, as you guys know, we usually get a lot of consolidation, manipulation, sideways movement. When we go to lower time frames, I'm definitely fucking looking for buys today. But if we start to break below this 43.9, 43.850 level, not only are we breaking past the support here, we're also switching structure and pushing bearish. So it would definitely be down for sell-off underneath this area. So a little bit biased today as far as sells or buys. I don't have a clean bias. Going down to 15-minute time frame, seeing if we have anything further. We have a little minor trend line that's forming here. Not so clean. This one's a bit cleaner, but that means it hasn't been formed yet. Let me go to 30-minute time frame and see if that's any cleaner at all. Yeah, it is. Okay. So pretty much we got first tap here, second tap here, came up for our 3rd tap here, so we can use it as part of our bias. Still, again, very bullish above this level, but could be bearish below this level. Going down to 15-minute time frame, don't see any zones. Going down to 5-minute time frame, we just now flipped bullish. You know, we're bearish, pushing further bearish. Came back up for like 100% retracement to push bearish again. But ended up pushing bullish, came back for 100% retracement, tried to push up the new highs, and now we're coming right back down to this 100% retracement. Kind of looks like we're grabbing London lows, you know what I'm saying, to potentially push higher. So as far as what we want to see today, I really like that we're grabbing London lows right now, but there's no resistance until we get all the way up here in order to take some type of trade. You know, from this point here, coming up to our next high, yeah, we have 30 points. ATR, as of right now, is sitting below 30. So I'd be using a 25-point stop loss, and that would be the trade sitting right there. So let me go ahead and take this off. As soon as we break above trend line and resistance, whether that's sitting up here or sitting right here, depending on where that's at, I'll go ahead and execute this trade and take the buys back up. But as far as any type of liquid grab setup, I'm not gonna take. We're just gonna wait till session open. But buys, bro. I'm looking for this. For option 1 or option number 2, us breaking below lows sitting right here, which is happening right now, and then during session, a re-break beyond those lows for bread and butter setup to sell off the market. So Let's see. This is very fucking clean price action. I love when we hop on the markets and we're sitting right out of support or resistance. You know, when there's confluence with that support and higher time frames are bullish, you know, it's just giving us really good confluence. The price is probably going to continue up from this point. So let's see. All right, y'all. So look what's happened, man. Ever since we grabbed those London lows we were just speaking about, price fucking skyrocketed. So this is what we're gonna do. If we break above this resistance, I'm gonna hop in now, even if that happens before session, because we have literally everything on board for our trade today. So higher time frame trend in confluence with us. Higher time frame support resistance is in confluence with us. We have a 5-minute trend line to go ahead and break out, sitting right here. We have 5-minute support resistance to break out, sitting right here. Previous session higher low. Remember, we took out that previous session low, and 2 candle structure, which just formed as far as being a valid pullback. I mean, this is a high probability setup. So whether it plays out or not, doesn't matter. I will be taking this trade pre-session if it happens before New York Stock Exchange opens. So let's see, man. As soon as we get in, we'll show you guys the P&L. All right, so let's go. Market is open. So we don't want to trade that first minute of session. Whoa. Volatility is crazy, yo. So don't want to trade this first minute. Just waiting for this break above this level, as long as it's not that first minute. But now that we're getting this nasty retracement, bro, to start off, if we flip and push above these highs, we're gonna go ahead and execute aggressively here. As soon as the 1-to-1 gets hit, put stops to break even. 1-to-3 gets hit, remove ourselves in full. This is a 50-point fucking stop loss, yo. Like, volume is heavy today, so gotta be cautious, but it is what it is. We have news in 30 minutes. This is the fucking trade. Could be very quick, and I'm ready to go.
Order filled.
All right, y'all. We got order filled there. Let's see what happens. Immediately into profit here. Nasty entry I got. Like a bit. I would say my entry's sitting up here. Well, we're in profit right now, so maybe not. Beautiful. We're pushing. We're up about $500 between all of them. About to hit our first K. Now up $1,000. About to put stops to BE here soon. I'm gonna remove myself at a 1-to-1 for that 0019 that we were speaking about. All of them are going to remove 1-to-1. I want to see the difference between my 1-to-3s and 1-to-1 with this account, but we got to get there first. So let's see. We still haven't grabbed London highs yet, so we should be fine here. Whoa. Type shit. Put a little 300 to 500 in the bag. Thank you, sir. Order filled there. Thank you. Pushing up. I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of those out. So now we're up about $1,500 for the day. Stops are to break even. So the worst that could happen is we break even for the day. Price is fucking sending it. As soon as we hit our $1,000, I'll go ahead and take another out. Boom. $1,000. We got a third account out. Let's go, baby. And this last one, we're gonna pull all the way to TPs or nothing here. So let's see what happens. Talk about a 5-minute fucking candle, man. And I'm ready to pull too. I'm ready to exit as soon as we tap. As a matter of fact, let's get out here. Come on, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I haven't had a trade that lasted 1 or 2 minutes here in probably like 2 weeks. So it's a bit exciting for me, but come on, bro. That's how you start the motherfucking week. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right there.